U.S. Air Force F-22 Raptor fighter arrives in Middle East for NATO Air Shield. U.S. Air Force F-22 Raptor fighters recently arrived in the Middle East as part of efforts to strengthen NATO's air shield in the region. The delivery of this stealth aircraft, renowned for its capabilities in air combat tactics, is a direct response to the increasingly urgent defense needs in the strategic region. The F-22 Raptor's presence in the Middle East signals the U.S. commitment to maintaining regional stability while supporting NATO allies in countering evolving threats from both major powers and terrorist groups active in the region. The F-22 Raptor is a highly advanced fifth-generation fighter, designed to address the modern challenges of air warfare. With stealth capabilities that allow it to evade enemy radar, supersonic speed, and advanced avionics systems, it has long been the backbone of U.S. and NATO air defense. The use of the F-22 in the Middle East is not only to defend the region, but also to demonstrate U.S. military power and presence in this tension-filled region. The F-22 Raptor delivery mission to the Middle East began as part of a major exercise involving NATO member states. The exercise aims to test the alliance's readiness to deal with threats from a range of potential adversaries, both militarily advanced countries, such as Russia and Iran, and smaller armed groups. The deployment of F-22s to the region also provides an opportunity for NATO pilots and technical personnel to train with the most advanced fighter aircraft available today. The presence of F-22s in the Middle East also demonstrates the U.S. role in ensuring that NATO remains the dominant military force in the face of global tensions. By introducing the F-22 in more real-world exercises and operations, the U.S. seeks to strengthen the alliance's credibility as a protector against external threats. The F-22, with its ability to take out enemy aircraft before they can get close, gives NATO member states a huge advantage in maintaining their air security. In addition, the F-22's presence also strengthens NATO's air intelligence capabilities, as the aircraft is equipped with advanced radar and communication systems that allow for the collection of intelligence data that is crucial in monitoring enemy movements. Its ability to fly over conflict areas with greater surveillance and undetected provides a great strategic advantage to the alliance. The F-22 is not only tasked to destroy the enemy, but also to gather vital information that can be used in planning further military operations. Of course, the presence of the F-22 Raptor in the Middle East is also a clear message to countries like Iran and Russia, which wield great influence in the region. The aircraft is a symbol of U.S. and NATO military power, and shows that the alliance will not stand still against potential threats. With the F-22 operating in Middle Eastern airspace, the U.S. is trying to ensure that it remains the dominant player in maintaining global security and deterring any attempts at aggression, but the F-22's mission is not just a show of force. They are also used in a variety of training scenarios that include complex air warfare, including countering threats from enemy fighters that could threaten the region or NATO military forces. In these exercises, the F-22 is tested in various combat simulations, from dogfights to surveillance and reconnaissance operations, not only testing the capabilities of the aircraft, but also strengthening cooperation between NATO member states. The F-22 is also considered a powerful diplomatic tool. Its presence in the Middle East sends a message to NATO allies that the US will always be ready to help and protect them if needed. The decision to deploy the F-22 to the region, in addition to strengthening military power, also shows that the US is ready to cooperate with its allies in the face of potential threats that could destabilize the region and the world. Meanwhile, some have criticized sending F-22s to the Middle East as a move that could increase tensions with countries that have interests in the region, especially Russia and Iran. Both countries have expressed concern about the US military presence near their borders. However, for the US and NATO, the F-22 deployment is a strategic move to maintain the balance of power and ensure that the alliance remains ready for any possible threat. Not only that, the F-22 Raptor's presence in the Middle East also enhances NATO's overall defense mission effectiveness. With its superior ability to detect and destroy enemy aircraft at long range, the F-22 serves as a highly effective air shield. This is critical in maintaining the safety of NATO ground troops and naval vessels operating in conflict-prone regions. In addition to strengthening NATO's air defense position, the F-22 Raptor's presence in the Middle East also demonstrates the high level of cooperation between the US and its allies.